Are you planning a baby shower? Hey guys, my name is Maria with Decor Lab. In this video, we are going to go over 3 different ideas for an elegant baby shower. Let's get started. So the first color theme that we have for you today is teddy bear. Teddy bear themes are super popular right now and they make for an Insta-worthy baby shower. For the teddy bear theme, we are going to use the following colors: fog, mocha, and peach inside white. Our next color theme is boho. Boho color palettes are normally earthy hues combined with neutrals. This is a great option if you're looking for a more neutral baby shower. For our boho color theme, we are going to use the following colors: coffee inside of cameo, and rosewood. Our next look is pretty in pink. If you're looking to keep it simple with a classic baby girl shower, then these feminine pinks and purples will be great for you. For our traditional pretty in pink theme, we are using the following colors: reflex pink, satin pink, canyon rose. And here you have it, 3 elegant color themes for your next baby shower. What other themes would you like to see? Leave a comment and let us know. See you in the next video.